This is a tangle called arukas. I begin with an orb, create my border, and then I'm going to draw spokes out from the orb, but I'm going to aura each spoke. And I'm going to do this 5 times. Once I've completed that, I'm going to aura the orb, but I'm going to go behind the spokes. After I aura the orb, I'm going to go back to the spokes and aura on each side of the line that I've already created. I like to call it a spoke. And then after you get the auras on each side of the lines, then you're going to aura the orb again, going behind these spokes that are coming out of this orb. And you're going to repetitively do this over and over again. This is a great time to start with gratitude, appreciation for the pen, the paper, whatever it is you're grateful for, because this is so meditative that once you get into it, I really find that my mind can't think of anything else, and it becomes mindfulness, present moment art, or meditative art, whatever you'd like to call it. So once I get this completed, I'm going to add a little more tangling. Be sure you're light with the pen, light with the pressure, breathe, don't hold your breath. So let's add some crescent moon. We're going to start with the ladybug part of crescent moon, and after we put all of our ladybugs down, we're going to aura that. And we're just going to continue to do that. And if you want to add more ladybugs in the center, you can add more. I auraed a few times, added some more ladybugs, and then auraed some more. But do whatever makes you happy, and you can feel free to put a completely different tangle here if you'd like. I put some mucas in the center orb, and now I'm just doing some striping. So I'm filling in every other, leaving a space in the center, which creates like a shine spot. This, again, very repetitive, and I find very meditative. For shading, there's no light source in the Zentangle method, so place your shading wherever makes you happy. After I added some of the graphite, I went back later and added some more fun little tangles. And remember, for me, it's all about the journey to the end of the tangle, and the tangle is a bonus at the end. So enjoy, make it your own, be original, and don't forget to subscribe. And remember, I think it's okay to go outside the lines. See you next time. Let me know in the comments what you think.